Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to get to the advanced menu on a Honeywell Programmable Thermostat. These will be easy instructions, so let's get right into these easy instructions. Okay, so this is a Honeywell Programmable Thermostat. This is actually my own programmable thermostat that I have in my house. And essentially, there's actually an advanced menu. So I put too many words in that sentence. Essentially, there's actually an advanced menu, okay? Even if I put too many words, it's still true. There's an advanced menu that you can get to. Now, you don't want to fool around in this menu because, you can sort of change some serious things on the thermostat. But if you know what you're doing and you want to get to the features in the advanced menu, then you can go to it, okay? It's really, really easy to access. Essentially, you want to find two buttons. You want to find the menu button and the plus button. Once you've found the menu button and the plus button, you want to press and hold those two buttons down for about 5 seconds. I'm going to press and hold them down. And once I've held them down, you can see this is the advanced menu. So we have different options here. You can look through the options, and like I said, if you know what you're doing, you can go and utilize these options and you can select an option, but I'm going to go back to home because I don't want to change anything. But if you do want to change something in the advanced menu, that's how to access it. It's literally that simple. That's how to get to the advanced menu with a Honeywell Programmable Thermostat just like this. Easy instructions. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.